Welcome to the video. In a rainforest, I don't feel the urge to drink water. The surrounding rain moisture keeps me hydrated. And that is why people in the Garden of Eden were way more hydrated than people today. They were eating fruits from the Garden of Eden, cellular hydration, H3O2, and the water today is just a pollution. It's toxic, it has D2O oxide and way more poison. We contaminate with plastic, we destroy the world with plastic bottles. So humans originate from the equatorial rainforest in Africa. And the rainforest has all what we need. The best soil, terra preta, a soil like in Brazil, the rainforest, the dark and soft soil. The rainforest has daily rain, daily sun, daily good temperature. Things grow super quickly and super high. Trees are the highest in rainforests, the most wide in rainforest. So we need more trees in the world for carbon saving, because we are destructive humans. We cut trees everywhere, and that is not okay, because we have the need for more carbon saving. And if you see how beautiful the rainforest is, it gives life, birds, animals, rivers. So why do we cut the trees? Why do we cut the rainforest? Because of food that is not even food. That is industrial growth, monocropping, tea, coffee, and all these poisons that create disease on the long term, that dehydrate people. So go back to our origin, go back to the rainforest and get hydrated, and eat fruit and plant the seeds so that more fruit trees grow in the rainforest. Champirak is a rainforest lover. And there are more trees. The durian is a rainforest lover. The rainforest helps to shade out many young fruit trees until they are strong enough to break through. And actually, we are demons, devils that eat poison and that destroy the nature. Peace and love.